Meghalaya Biodiversity Board today celebrated the International Day for Biological Diversity under the theme From Agreement to Action, Built by Biodiversity. International Day for Biological Diversity or World Biodiversity Day is observed every year on May 22nd to promote biodiversity conservation. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang said biodiversity encompasses flora and fauna, forest and all the ecosystems that come along with it. He appreciated Daprang Songthiang of Quad Village, Maukinrao block for recognizing the importance of conservation of biodiversity by surrendering his licensed gun, which he had been using for hunting, and added that this would inspire others also to do the same.
Biodiversity involves flora,